There are standard ArrayList algorithms that utilize traversals, and one of those is to insert elements. So for example, I can use a for loop to insert elements into the ArrayList, and we'll start from the number 1. And I'm going to insert numbers from 1 to 4. And we have the increment. So our numbers dot add I is going to insert those numbers into the ArrayList, as we can see. Now we can also use traversals to delete elements in the ArrayList. So what I'll do is declare a method, and we'll call this delete element. And we'll pass in an ArrayList of integers, and we'll pass in an integer that we want to delete. And we'll traverse the ArrayList, so we have int I is 0, and we'll iterate up to the size of the ArrayList -1, and then if the element in the ArrayList at index I is equal to the number, then we'll remove that number from the ArrayList. So now let's call this method, and we'll pass in our ArrayList of numbers by reference. And the number I want to delete is 3. And if we run the program, we can see that 3 is deleted from the ArrayList. So let's comment this out. But what if we had duplicates in this ArrayList? So what I'll do first is set the number at index 1 to be equal to 3. And if we try to delete the numbers 3 from the ArrayList, then this will miss elements. Because when we delete an element, the elements after it get shifted to the left. So to avoid skipping an element, what we'll do is decrement the loop control variable after we delete a number. So if we run this again, the 3's get deleted. And we can apply the same standard algorithms that are used with one-dimensional arrays. So remember when we calculated the sum, mean, and mode, and so on. So have some practice at writing those algorithms using an ArrayList as we did using arrays.